guys, it's me, Elise, and I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm back with a new video, and yes, I have a braided wig for you guys today. But yes, here is the wig and everything it came with. It comes from a company called WeQueen. I'll leave all the information in the info section below, so be sure to check it out. And I will also leave a coupon code so y'all can save $30 off of your purchases. So use coupon code Elise if you guys want to save some cash. But here is the wig. I was super impressed by the quality of this wig, and what made things even better, it was super lightweight, because if you ever went to the salon and got your hair braided, child, I'm pretty sure your neck was probably hurting. But I love how convenient this wig is and how easy and quick. It's beginner friendly, and it literally takes seconds to install. And I'm going to show you guys in a second how quickly I was able to install this wig right after I trim off the lace. That's literally the hardest thing that you have to do. So I went ahead and slapped on my stocking cap, and I'm going to time myself. Literally, this wig took 10 seconds to install, and if you want to kind of go in and tweak it and make it customizable for yourself, you can do that. But if you're in a rush, child, just throw on this wig and you're out the door pretty much. So yes, I'm finished, but y'all know me. I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, make it look okay. But so right now I'm just going to fix up the baby hairs and add a little bit of concealer. Now my stocking cap started to slip back just a bit underneath the wig. You may want to do the bald cap method to prevent that from happening. For me, I don't really do that. I care too much for my edges, so I applied a little bit of concealer to kind of help disguise that. But for the most part, if you do the bald cap method, you should be good to go. I'm gonna continue to lay my baby hairs, and I'll see you guys once I'm done. Okay, so now that we're done with that, I kind of wanted to just accessorize my look. I did get this little hair jewelry kit with my wig, and I do want to say for a limited time, you can also receive this jewelry kit when you use the discount code that I provided for you guys in the description box below. So be sure to take advantage of that if you want to accessorize your look. But I really love these little jewelry kits because it came with a bunch of little cute little jewels and stuff like that, and charms. So I'm just adding a few here and there. I decided to put the little ring right there in the center of my braids as a way to distract you from noticing my stocking cap slipping back. But overall, it gave it a really unique look, so I'm pleased with it. So here is just another look at the wig. Again, you guys do check out WeQueen. I will have all the information provided down below. This wig is super lightweight. It was about 12 ounces, I want to say, and it's super quick to install, beginner friendly. You do have that transparent lace so that it works with all sorts of skin tones. If you have a lot of hair under your wigs, similar to what I have, be aware that this wig, I want to say that if you have a big head, you can definitely fit it, but it's going to be a tight fit. So do keep that in mind. And then I'm going to give you guys a little style option. You can wear this back in a ponytail. You can put it up in a bun. I just decided to kind of push it back in an effortless little ponytail with the back of the braids going down, just to kind of give it like a everyday look or whatnot. But there's endless possibilities, and the best part is that you're able to take this wig off every single night. Like when you go to the salon and sit in that chair for 5 hours to pay $300 to get your hair braided, you're gonna get your new growth, it's gonna get frizzy. But with this wig, you can take it off every night, and the best part is that it's only like around $135. Again, you guys do check out WeQueen. I will have all the details provided down below. You guys should check out their sale that they're having and use discount code Elise if you guys want to save $30 off of your purchase, and this is only for a limited time, so be quick. Let me know what you guys think about this wig, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.